Welcome, here I've got Poco M3 Pro and let me show you how to turn on and off camera shutter sound at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let me take a photo. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, let's move to right corner button so we can get access to more options about camera we can manage. Now let's pick settings from the left to open them, and here we have to slide a little bit to general settings category. At the first place now we have shutter sound option, so by using button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. Now let me keep it turned off. Let's move back to camera, and when I tap on the shutter, once again we can't hear the sound. And of course when we go back to right corner settings, left options to open, and slide down to general, we can turn on hear sound again and hear it. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.